Hello class 10, good morning. Today we are going to discuss another programming question based on array. The question is to write a program to accept any 20 numbers in a one-dimensional array. Once again, to accept any 20 numbers in one-dimensional array and count and print total number of even numbers, total number of odd numbers and total number of multiples of 4. Means how many numbers are divisible by 4, which are multiple of 4. Once again, what is the question? Write a program to accept to input any 20 numbers in an array, count and print total numbers of even number, total number of odd numbers and total number of multiples of 4. Means how many numbers are divisible by 4. Alright. So see the question. Public class count number. Int array name A, new int 20. According to question, size of the array is 20. According to question, what is size? 20. Variable taken, int I index variable, ne equal to 0. Number of even equal to 0. No equal to 0. Number of odd equal to 0. Nm equal to 0. Number of multiples of 4 equal to 0. Now we are going to input 20 numbers. For I equal to 0, I less than 20, I plus plus. System out println enter a number, ai equal to in dot next int. So in this loop, we will input how many numbers? 20 numbers. For example, I have taken an array here like A0, A1, A2 till A9. Like this only we will have till A19. We will have till how many? A19. Numbers are 4, 5, 9, 8, 6, 7, 24, 3, 12, 31. So what will happen? We'll pick up one by one number. We'll check whether it is even or not. Again, we'll check whether it is odd or not. And I will check whether it is multiples of 4 or not. Okay? So let us take number of even equal to 0, number of odd equal to 0 and number of multiples of 4 equal to 0. We have initialized 3 variables by 0 here to count all the numbers. Okay. Now first time loop is from I equal to 0, I less than 20, I plus plus. If ai means a0, what is a0? A0 is 4. A0 is 4. If 4 modulus 2 equal to 0, yes. If you divide 4 by 2, remainder comes 0. So any equal to any plus 1. 0 plus 1. Okay. Now again, if ai means a0, what is a0? A0 is 4. 4 modulus 2 not equal to 0, wrong. This condition is false. Because if when you divide the 4 by 2, remainder there come equal to 0. So no equal to no plus 1 will not take place. Now check, come here again. If ai means a0 is 4. 4 modulus 4, remainder is equal to 0. Yes. If you divide 4 by 4, remainder is equal to 0. So it means 4 is a multiple of 4. So nm equal to nm plus 1. So nm equal to nm plus 1 means 0 plus 1. Okay. Now go further. Next I. Next I value will be 1. What is next I value? 1. If a1 is a1, the a1 plus is what? 5. The 5 modulus 2 equal to 0. No. Condition false. 5 modulus 2 is not equal to 0. Yes. If you divide the 5 by 2, value is not equal to 0. Remainder is not equal to 0. So no equal to no plus 1. It's 0 plus 1. Okay. Now come here. 5 modulus 4 equal to 0. No. This condition also equal to is false. So no plus 1. Go for the next time. Next time will be 2. If A2 plus what is there? 9 is there. A2 plus what is there? 9 is there. If 9 modulus 2 equal to 0, no. If 9 modulus 2 is not equal to 0, yes. No equal to no plus 1. So plus 1. Again go. Now check if a 9 is modulus 4 equal to 0, no. Go for the next time. Next time will be 3. If a3, what is a3? A3 is 8. A3 is what? 8. If 8 modulus 2 equal to 0, yes. So any equal to any plus 1. So plus 1. Okay. 8 modulus 2 is not equal to 0, false. 8 modulus 4 equal to 0, yes. If you divide 8 by 4, remainder is equal to 0. So 8 is a multiple of 4. So again nm plus 1. Again go for the next type. Next type will be 4. If A4 plus is 6. What is A4 plus 6? So divide 6 by 2, remainder equal to 0. Yes. So ne plus 1. So ne plus 1. Again come 6 modulus 2, remainder is not equal to 0. Condition is false. 6 modulus 4, remainder equal to 0. No. Condition false. Again go for the next type. Next type will be 5. Next type we got 5. If A5 plus what is there? 7 is there. So divide 7 by 2, remainder equal to 0. No. Divide 7 by 2, remainder is not equal to 0. Yes. So no plus 1. So it is a what number? Odd number. Plus 1. Now divide 7 by 4, remainder equal to 0. No. So no plus 1. So like this what happened? It will go on picking one by one elements from the array till A19. And if it is divisible by 2, then ne plus 1 will be done. If it is not divisible by 2, then no plus 1 will be done. And if it is divisible by 4, then nm plus 1 will be done. And it will go on checking for how many times? 20 times, that is 0 till 90. 0 till what? 90. After completing 0 to 19 20 times, it comes out of the loop and prints number of even numbers equal to ne, number of odd numbers equal to no, and system out println number of multiples of 4 equal to n. Okay, so this also was like linear search program only. So what was the question once again? Question was to write a program to input any 20 numbers to accept any 20 numbers in a single dimensional array. Okay, so you have created an array of size 20 and input 20 numbers in the array A0 to A19, and after that pick up one by one number and check if it is divisible by 2, then increase the value of ne means number of even plus number of even plus 1. If it is not divisible by 2, then it is an odd number, then no plus 1. And if it is divisible by 4, it means it is multiples of 4, then nm plus 1. So it will go on checking till A19, and this counter will be increased, and after completing till 19, it comes out of the loop and prints the total number of even numbers, total number of odd numbers, and total and number of multiples of 4. So write the program and practice. Thank you.